So in this video we will going to see the how the distinct, from any table how to get distinct values or not duplicate values. So for that we use distinct statement. So the select distinct statement is used to return only distinct or different values. Here we can say it is a definition. So let's run the query. Select country from customers. Here is our customer table, and we only find our country name from that customer table. So after I execute the query here, if I execute the select country from customers, we will see this, like all the country name here, the values are getting duplicated. So now we are using here only also the distinct keyword should be below this previous to the column name. And now if I execute the query, then you will see the only different names of countries, not the duplicate records. Here you can see this is our final result. Now the records are 21, and if I remove the distinct and I run the query, then you can see here 91 records of country's name. So how it works, hope you understand it.